Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out this mobile strategy and see how we can use it to milk the market successfully. And if you are here and looking for a unique strategy to use to trade on your mobile platform, then you should watch this video to the end because it will help you to improve your trading activities. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. This is 30-minute time frame, just like I have told you in most of my I have been saying this in most of my videos, that all these assets are trend trading assets. Once you get the trend right, then you are cool with it. Okay, so this particular asset actually got to the resistance zone at this point and it was unable to break out from there. Sold for a while, went back up, and of course this time around it's going back down. Okay, so and if you should notice, if you should make use of your trend line, let me get a trend line. Okay, good. And if you should make use of it at this point, sorry about that. Okay, let me pick another one. Okay, at this point. Okay, so now let me bring it backward. Okay, so at this point we are saying if it breaks out below this trend line, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so as you can see, it broke out below it, and right from there it gave us a more selling opportunity, and it is still selling because I expect it to get to this region. This is 30-minute time frame. You can imagine if you had started right from here, then it will have given you lots and lots of profit. At the moment there will be pullback in between, but it will be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, most especially after crossing this moving average, and of course it has gone to the resistance zone already, so it is coming down from the resistance zone. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunities. So if you missed out from coming in at this point, this is the best time for you to come into the market, and you will make a lot of profit along the line. Okay, now let's look at another asset right from here. So I'm just going to go to Gain-X 1200. You can see this is still the same strategy. This has actually got into the resistance zone at this point, has not been able to break out from there, so it's sold for a while, pulled back up, and it's coming back down again. Okay, so if we should make use of the trend line again, let me pick it up again, and of course we're going to see how it's going to work. Okay, so I'm going to pick another one. Okay, so let's see, so let's adjust it a bit. Okay guys, if it should break out below that trend line, then definitely we should expect it to get to this region, guys. So we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, this is still 30-minute time frame, so this would have given us a good opportunity to sell for a very long time if it breaks out below this trend line. Okay, so you guys should watch out for that and see how beautiful this strategy is. Okay, so you can try it out on your own and see how, what you are able to come out with at the end of the day. I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.